In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert symbols in Google Sheets with a straightforward approach that's perfect for everyday tasks. Let's get started by opening up a Google Doc. You might be wondering why we're starting in Google Docs when our end goal is to use Google Sheets. Well, Google Docs has a pretty handy feature for inserting special characters, which we'll use as a bridge to get our symbols into Sheets. First, click on Insert, located at the top of your Google Docs interface. A drop-down menu will appear, and here you will notice an option labeled Special Characters. This is where the magic happens. By selecting Special Characters, a dialog box will open, presenting you with a plethora of symbols, emojis, and other special characters. From various categories, you can find what you need by searching or simply browsing through selections like arrows, math symbols, or emoticons. Next up, let's say you're interested in adding a little color and emotion to your spreadsheet with emojis. To do this, click on the option for emojis within the Special Characters dialog. Emojis can add a touch of creativity or help emphasize important data points. Once you've picked an emoji, click on it to add it to your document. It's seamlessly inserted right into your document at the location of your cursor. After inserting your desired emoji, click on Insert again, and then select Symbols once more to explore a wider range of symbols. For more specific choices, you have the choice to click on Special Characters to access options like arrows, geometric shapes, and more. Let's say you want to choose the heavily black feathered north symbol. All you need to do is click on it to make a selection. After you've gathered all the symbols and emojis you want, highlight all of them. With your selection highlighted, navigate over to the Copy button. Clicking on it ensures all your selected symbols are ready to transfer to your Google Sheets. Now let's transition over to Google Sheets. First, open the Google Sheets document where you'd like to incorporate these symbols. Once open, click inside a cell where you'd like to start placing those special characters. Using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac, paste the symbols right into the cell. It's as simple as that. No fuss, no complex steps. If everything looks good, finalize your insertions by hitting the Enter key to solidify everything you've just pasted. Now you're all set. You've successfully inserted symbols into Google Sheets, adding layers of clarity and creativity to your data. Remember, whether you're enriching a report or making a to-do list pop, these symbols can be a fantastic tool to make your information truly stand out.